Hi, I'm Jeff, and today we're going to talk about Arcadia's peak seasonal camping package. Whether you're a weekend warrior or planning to enjoy the open road all year long, Arcadia has a long and sometimes exclusive list of features ready to provide industry-leading performance in any condition that Mother Nature throws at you. Most everyone is going to be using their Arcadia when it's warm outside. So let's first talk about how Arcadia is designed to keep you cool. Every Arcadia is standard with a high-efficiency Q Series 15,000 BTU air conditioner by Coleman. This air conditioner will generate up to 10% more CFMs, and it's going to operate at 20% less decibels than other AC units. I'm confident you're going to love the quiet performance of this top-of-the-line air conditioner. All Arcadias are prepped for a second air, and when we install one, it's connected to your main ductwork. We don't use the old drop-down style, so you get maximum air distribution throughout your entire coach. Of course, we also utilize Keystone's exclusive blade ducted air delivery system, which consists of innovative proprietary components that will deliver 20% more air from the air conditioner into the living space of your Arcadia. Keeping the summertime heat outside where it belongs is our #1 priority. So we pack the roof with 2 layers of fiberglass insulation and go the extra mile by rolling out a layer of reflective foil insulation over the entire roof and down the front wall. We even implemented small details like deep tinted windows, thermal resistant fabrics on our Roman shades, and LED lights to keep the interior temperature cool and comfortable. If you're planning on cold weather camping, no other RV in its class can offer all of the features found on Arcadia. First of all, every Arcadia is standard with a large 35,000 BTU furnace. Combined with a fireplace that offers a 5,000 BTU heating element, Arcadia offers 40,000 total BTUs of heating comfort that far exceeds many of our competitors. In the floor and chassis, Arcadia has 3 layers of insulation and 2 heated chambers designed to give you unmatched thermal protection and comfort. In the lower chassis, we not only enclose and heat the basement, but we also insulate the basement with a layer of astrofoil reflective insulation. This is where your holding tanks are located, and we go the extra mile by also installing 12-volt heat pads on all your chassis holding tanks. Above the basement is Arcadia's patented crawl space area. Inside the insulated crawl space, we install a residential straight-line heat duct, your water lines, and much of your critical wiring. When the furnace is turned on, the crawl space is heated and protecting your water lines from freezing. The crawl space allows us to utilize a straight-line heat duct where most of our competitors are forced to use flexible 4-inch dryer vents routed down into the chassis basement or inside cabinets. With crawl space, no other brand in this class can deliver the heat like an Arcadia. On top of the crawl space, we install Keystone's innovative HyperDeck aluminum-framed laminated flooring. This extra thick floor provides excellent insulation, and its one-piece composite design is lightweight, very strong, and 100% moisture resistant. Finally, Arcadia is built with innovative attic vents on the roof that help eliminate moisture and condensation that can build up in the roof cavity during cold weather use. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to keep up with all of our great content. See you next time.